My name is CJ and I like Apple products. So, they shoot. Hey, hold on. Wait, the comment section. Yo, come on, man. Hey. We good? We good? Hey, look, I'm waving my white flag. Samsung Knights, Android fanboys. We good now, right? We straight? SIM card in? We good? Whew. Man, you know what I'm saying? I thought, wait. Oh, the Apple? Oh, hold up, player. Hey, come on, man. Don't hit the iMac. Man, this tech community is too dangerous, man. There's too many gangsters out here, man. I'm done with this. Ooh, shit, man. Look at that lighting. Look at that footage, baby. Y'all don't even know, man. That'll be another video for another time. But just best believe we upgrading, baby. You saw the title. It's time to say bye-bye and hello, baby. You know what's inside this box. You see the title. Let's do it. Bam. All right. Yeah, you see it. You see it, baby. You know, I'm big on AirPods, so I'm really hyped to see how these work out and turn out for me. You know what I'm saying? Upcoming video, the S10 Plus, baby. Let's get into it, man. I'm super hyped to see this brand new Infinity O display. We already know Samsung's display is straight butter, baby, but it's nothing like seeing it in hand with your own eyes, baby. So let's do that. Look at that dirty blade, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's official now. I know. I really like the idea that Samsung includes a pre-installed screen protector. Man, you know what I'm saying? But even though they include a pre-installed screen protector, you already know your boy, the Whitestone Dome plug is on deck. So Whitestone Dome is one of the few tempered glass screen protectors that actually can work with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. You know what I'm saying, man? I know a bunch of other people did their video, but they ain't do one like me. So guess what? I'm gonna do my video. Not in this video though. So stay tuned for that. What color did I get? If you was wondering, baby, that Prism White. And what's dope about the Prism White, it even hits like some of the colors, like my background, you know what I'm saying? Or that sunset. It got that sunset shine and glare into it when you hit it in the right light and all that. So super hype about this, baby. Let's get it. Triple camera, you know what I'm saying? Ultra wide, all the good. Woo. Aha! Bam! USB-C on deck. Shh. My bad. I'm gonna do it again. You know what I'm saying? I know I messed that one up. I don't even got the same sound anymore. Pre-installed screen protector on deck. Bam. Now, one thing that I will say and mention is I already knew before even getting the S10 Plus that the fit in my hand was going to be wonderful because I had a dummy unit for case review, which that case review is going to be coming up pretty soon right after this. You know what I'm saying? From that feel, I knew like, man, I could hold this S10 Plus. It'll feel great in my hand. It's really light. It's a really nice device, man. It's time to charge this bad boy. I need to charge it because SIM card is going directly into it. Let me see if my MacBook Air charger will give it a charge rapidly and all that good stuff. Where we at? What did it ship with? Boom. It shipped with 67% battery. Obviously 67% battery, I can't go straight SIM card in, but you know, I'm gonna be putting my SIM card in this bad boy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let it charge for a bit. Maybe I come back when it's 100%, slide the SIM, or I can just slide the Slim in there now, right? No, but I got somewhere I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot going on. Yeah, so it is happening, baby. There's so many things about the Galaxy S10 Plus that I could talk about right now that you've already heard. Why would I do that, baby? I just wanna let you know that I am saying bye-bye. Yeah, to this. Hey, look, man. Don't be trying to unlock. Don't be trying to get me up in your, you know what I'm saying? Bye-bye to the iPhone XS Max as my main daily driver, and hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus as my main daily driver. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to give you an authentic real review is for me to put my SIM card inside that bad boy and put this bad boy on the bench. So I'm giving up the ecosystem that I'm in. I'm giving up the convenience that I have as of right now with this device, a come up, baby. A different side of the thing. Now, as you know, I carry two at all times, an iOS device and an Android device. So just because I took the SIM card out of this doesn't mean that the Apple, hookup won't be rolling with me. I'll still have access to all of the ecosystem and so forth. But as far as my text messages, my personal contacts, all of my hookups, all of the homies, all of the social posts for the most part, Instagram, I might have to use this. We'll see. I might even convert my Instagram from now on to just strictly S10 Plus, except for if I take a picture of the S10 Plus. Obviously I can't do that with the S10 Plus. You get what I'm saying, baby. You know what's up. So we going full all in, man. It's about time that I stick the SIM card in here. It's been good, iPhone, but it's gonna be time. Another great thing about this S10 Plus that I miss about Samsung phones is the expandable memory, baby. I get to take a micro SD card, put it inside of there and expand my memory. So yeah, I only got 128, but I could go up to, I think like 512 or 1 terabyte, man. I could get it in. Ridiculous, insane. So I have nothing to worry about when it comes to onboard storage, but 128 is pretty decent to start. I don't know how long it's been. It ain't been long at all. We already at 72%. This thing is charging fast enough, almost to the point to where I think I'm gonna throw my SIM card in this bad boy now. And yeah, the only thing is I won't have everything on there. I gotta go somewhere. You know what? I'm gonna let this charge. I'm gonna come back to this whole setup, put the SIM card in with you. I'll be back. Okay, so I just got back from running the errand I had to run. Now get the, we had 100%, I'm pretty sure. 100% ready to go, baby. It's time, it's that time. Man, don't you hate how long it takes to migrate your iPhone to your Samsung when you hook them up and, boom, like magic, baby. Whew. I don't know what that is, speaker hole, antenna hole. Hopefully I didn't ruin anything. You guys didn't see that, you know what I'm saying? Bam. I ain't trolling. Put that in there. Bam. Power button. There it is, baby. Bow. It's that time. Look at that. Look at that. That's that prism white right there. You know what I mean? The light hitting it, so it's probably all, I don't know if it's doing the thing it's supposed to do. You getting hypnotized yet right now? So it's official, man. Man, this thing is so light, man. So sweet. And look at, I don't know why people think a heavy weighted phone equals premium. You know what I'm saying, man?
Let's get started.
Okay, Bixby.
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Play, you trying to do this video with me? You gotta let them know. You know what I'm saying, man? Anyway, so it's time for me to rock out with the S10 Plus, baby. So I can give you that real user experience review and let you know. Also, I'm gonna be giving a ton of tips and tricks and other things for those of you out there who may have grabbed the S10 Plus for pre-ordering me. Those of you who are switching from iOS to the Galaxy device, you know what I'm saying? I got you, you know what I mean? Because I play on both sides of the fence, as well as for my iOS users out there, I'll be letting you know what's up. I'm gonna play to both sides of the fence. I gotta let everyone know if the hype is real, if everything about this bad boy, in my opinion, how I feel. Y'all know how CJ do. Hey, look, man, matter of fact, let me say something, man. Hey, you know how I go. I waited a long time to get a Galaxy device so that I could do this. Y'all remember me? If you know and you've been here, hold up, Bixby.
Help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
It's a lot of hating right now, and guess what? I gotta let it be known, baby. Y'all know what it is. Bixby, your boy waited a long time for this one. That's my Galaxy move, baby. I'm hype, I'm ready to go. I will be reporting back to you guys real soon, letting you know how it really works out, if it's the truth. You already know how I go, man. Samsung devices, man, come on, man, A1. Anyways, I'm gonna play with this S10 Plus, get into all the features. All right, it's time to put the Galaxy S10 Plus to work, baby. Let's see what this bad boy can do. I'm out. Okay, Android is king. Android is king. Waving my flag.